They have a warmth, and once you begin to experience it, you'll understand why we American men are coming down here.
I'll admit I was very nervous coming. I did a lot of research online and spent a lot of money with other sites. After I did all this research and a lot of time, I decided to sign up. I had expectations. I don't want to say they were great. I thought maybe meeting 1 or 2 or 3 pretty women, it would be worth it. And my expectations were absolutely blown away. I literally, this will sound to the guys listening like I'm making this up, but I'm not. There were so many pretty, smart women in this room. And every single one, whether I was attracted to them or not, they were so sophisticated and nice. And so if you're nervous, this is a very welcoming environment.
Okay.
And so way beyond my expectations. I'm still trying to fathom it in my head, but it was incredible.
Wow.
And then, we have another social night. Like
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is our second night.
This morning, I had 2 dates.
Okay.
So I was the most nervous because I hadn't met any of you. I hadn't met any girls.
Okay.
You know? I hadn't met anybody.
Okay.
So I meet my interpreter, who was very nice and made me feel calm and comfortable. Then my first date was gorgeous.
I'm so happy, Jay, that you have a good experience here. That's the real point that we are here. A foreign affair is working for that you feel security, that the girls come here to feel insecurity about everything. You also have your interpreter. This is a really important thing, that I think it's something really different, because she helps to you all night. She write everything, take notes about everything that you are feeling, that you feel.
So me and one of the other gentlemen were talking about the unique role that the interpreter plays in this whole situation. Of course, there's information transfer, the meaning of the words, but these interpreters here are top notch because not only do they communicate the words, but they also communicate the emotion, which creates the emotional affirmation for each other that will start to grow the affection.
Good. Jay, tell me a little bit.
And I want to say one other thing about the interpreters. Sure. They are, I'm sure they're here to protect the women, but also as a man, you want to feel protected, that you're not going to be abused or taken advantage of. And I felt very safe in that manner. It's hard for me to put into words how impressed I am of these women. When you walk in the room, there's just gorgeous women everywhere. But it's not just about being pretty. It's finding somebody that's pretty. And for me, I'm looking for an intelligent woman that I can develop a relationship with and come home to every night and have an interaction, a sophisticated discussion with. And I found all these women here. So I'm in investments.
Sure.
So we always talk about return on investment, right? And there is a money transaction that you're going to make with another site or traveling. I think AFA has the best value for the money. It's incredible. So quit wasting your money everywhere else and going nowhere. I accomplished more here in the last 2 days than I have in the last many months. So it was well worth it. I wish I told my interpreter here, I wish I would have started with AFA.
get started? Sign up and connect with these real women. Check out our website at acapulcowomen.com.